Hey guys, so it's me Anya, and today I'll be vlogging my day today because I'm doing a day in a life of me, and it's currently 7 a.m. I woke up at 6:40 and I'm still very sleepy. I usually don't get up around this early, but I have classes from now on, like this week, so I'm trying to get into schedule and wake up early. And I'm doing this video because the other one was really popular and you all really liked it, so I'm just gonna do this. My day is not anything special, but so I have freshened up and I know my hair is a disgrace. That will be fixed later on. So it's around 7 as I told y'all, and it's so bright outside because at 6:40 it's like barely bright and suddenly it just becomes so bright. And I'll just show you a view outside my window because it's really nice. I live on the 17th floor, so the view is actually really good. So this is how the view is from my bedroom. It's really awesome, honestly. That's down. So now I'm just gonna go eat breakfast and then I'll get ready for my class because I don't have much time. So let's just go. So usually always for breakfast I have Chocofills, and I love them so much because their center is filled with chocolate, and this is what wakes me up every morning, and it tastes honestly amazing. Hey guys, so I am back from having breakfast and now it's almost 7:30 and it's time for my class, and it's about 1.5 hours of class. So after that I'll see you. Hey guys, so I am done with my class. It is 9 o'clock now and I'm kind of tired already, and it's barely the start of the day. Anyway, so now I'm just gonna take a break and continue watching Jumanji. I was watching it yesterday and I couldn't finish it, so I'll just continue watching it for however much time it will take. With which they are often confused. Hey guys, so I am back after watching the movie. It was great as usual, and it's around 11 a.m. and I have to help my mom make a video for her diet therapy course. So I'll just be helping her doing voiceovers and like editing the video for her. So yeah. Hey guys, so it is almost 12 o'clock. I am done editing all the clips with my mom and it's really great so far. And now I have a exam tomorrow and it's my first exam, and I think I should start studying for it a little bit now because I've already done it. So I just need to like revise, and it's just like a 20-mark exam, so it's not that long and like not much portion. And let's see how it's gonna be because it's an online exam. Hey guys, so it is around 1 o'clock, almost like 12:55, and it is time to eat lunch with my family. So I'll just have some family time with them and enjoy. So bye. Hey guys, so it is now 1:30 and I am done with lunch. So now I have to just finish revising whatever I left off before eating lunch. So I'll just see you then, and there are like 4 sets of notes to revise from, so that's why it takes a lot of time to revise, and if I want to score well then I have to practice properly. So bye. So it is 4:30 right now and I have finally finished all the thorough revision for my English test tomorrow, and I've also finished for the next test, which is physics, like half of it. And now I'm going to go ahead and make the dish for my mom's diet therapy course and help her film and everything. And the recipe I may just post it on my channel, so just stay tuned if you want to know what it is about. So if you want to know how I study, I take a bit of break in the middle, like short breaks, not too big because I end up doing that at times. And during those breaks I usually like just scroll through Instagram or like watch like a small YouTube video or something. Yeah, and that's what I do in my free time. I also want to say that I won't be making any recipe videos anymore, except probably this is gonna be the last one in forever, unless I really make some interesting recipe which I really want to share with you all. Otherwise I'm just gonna stop making them because I don't think it's my thing. Also, there have been so many instances where people are just like copying what I do and are not even giving me credit, and it's literally so bad. I know this happens on the net all the time, but I wish people can just give the creators credit, or the people who have worked so hard on it. And I've seen that so much and it's really bugging me, and I wish it would just stop. Also, I'm really sorry for the inactivity because I know my exams are going on and I won't be able to post much this month. I may just post like a few videos and just hope you enjoy them. There's one really bomb video coming out, and I haven't gotten time to work on it lately, but I will after a little bit of stuff settles down. So, hope you enjoy whatever content I post this month. And August is gonna be bomb with a bunch of content, I'm telling you. So I'm in the middle of making the recipe video, which will be probably uploaded a day before this video goes live on my YouTube channel. And it was really tiring, and the vegetables and all are cooking on the stove and all that. So it's gonna take a time, so I'm just gonna wait and relax till then. That was one tiring filmmaking process. It took us so long to film that, and it was very tiring, and I have to edit 3 videos and I have to get them out as fast as I can. So wish me luck, and it's gonna take a few hours, I suppose. So I'll see you next. So it is 8:30 right now, and I finally finished the editing, and I'm so glad I could get that video out, and it's honestly great. So please go like the video and like share it with your friends, because it's a homemade recipe and it's honestly amazing. And it's time to go for dinner. Bye. So I'm finally back from dinner, and that biryani was amazing. It was honestly one of the best things I've had in the past few days. And thanks to my great mom who made it. At 9:30 I finished my dinner, and then I sat down to watch CID, and I just watched some MasterChef. And now it's around 11 o'clock, and I am going to sleep now because I have to wake up early and study, like last minute revision for my exam. And hope you enjoy this video, and go check out my recipe. It's doing super well on the channel, and thank you all for the support. It took 4 people to do that recipe and like 2 hours, so I'm really glad my effort is paying off. And good night, and have a great day, night, evening whenever you're watching. Bye. And also it took me 2 hours to edit, so peace.
Let's start with a lime ice cream sundae with honeycomb and lemongrass and ginger syrup. Nice.